Good morning, Grumpy Old Redneck here. It's a beautiful April Sunday morning, April the 14th. Work on the woodshed. We're going to get it done today. Spoiler alert, I'm recording this after I did the work. So I didn't think to record the intro first. Anyway, there's going to be a lot of editing in this video because I had to move the camera around a lot. Whole bunch of stuff I had to do. And I don't have a man behind the scenes to help me with any of this. Doing it all by myself. So, anyway, stick around. I hope you enjoy it. And we'll finally get this woodshed to where we can start getting wood back in it. Use a natural cut pole because, well, it's available. We'll see if this works or not. I realize y'all can't see what I'm talking about. Probably can't hear me either. Let me adjust the camera. So, the idea is I put the floor jack down there. It does seem to kind of be working. The problem is, I think I may be picking up the entire shed. Gotta be able to get up there and hammer on that, I think. There we go. Get on there, like so. We use this clamp. Suck that up. In theory, it's working. Surprisingly, that worked a lot better than I expected it to. Now the fun part. I'm going to have to do this next part without gloves, just because I can't work precisely with gloves on. How much of this y'all gonna be able to see, I don't know. I can barely see the lens because the light. And you can see how I pulled that up. Now I gotta put tie plates over there. Got them. I just gotta get them installed. Not in love with this setup. I'm not. I guess if it works, it works. Well, don't tell me these screws ain't gonna fit. Of course. These ain't the right screws, but they'll work. I mean, it's that blame woodshed for crying out loud. Oh, fuck, that hurt my back. I can work with this angle. Not perfect, but it holds. That's what counts. Okay, the top is attached. Oh. Even if it is a little bent out of shape. Come with me and you'll see a world of OSHA violations. It's only dumb if it don't work. Unfortunately, ow, 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 ow. This does not line up completely. this. Those are long enough to go all the way through. There we go. That is, as they say, that. The shed has been repaired.